Okay, today I'm trying to reinstall back the rear bumper on the Civic EG hatch, and I encountered some problems. So on my last video about the removal of the EG rear bumper, these are the bolts that was installed. I'm not sure if they are OEM, but it looks like they're like a wood screw. I'm not sure. Now I've tried using the M6 and it doesn't work. It will just stick like this, but it won't push through. I've been pressing it. Just look at my thumb. Pressure I'm applying onto it, and it's not doing anything. It's not pushing through. It doesn't want to go inside. I don't want to force it, and I don't want to strip the bolt or the nut, the OEM nut. So the rear bumper is sitting right next to me on the EcoSport. Crappy Ford EcoSport. So I don't have any other options. I can't look for the OEM bolts. I just bought a, what you call this, rethread M6 tap, and this one I'm all set on this one, and the M6 can go all the way in. So in short, I converted all the rear bumper bolts or nuts to work with M6. I'm not sure if that one sucks or if that one is like a bad idea, but I'm in a hurry because I need to go out and file a registration, or I need to renew my registration for this Civic EG hatch, and I need to install the bumper or rear bumper. This one is also all set. It will work properly with the M6. There you go. There you go. But the last part over here, it doesn't work. Maybe my tapping tool is fed up or it's ruined. But I'm gonna try give it a shot and hoping that it will work for the last time. Also, the brand new M6 rethread or tap tool that I bought, most likely it is only made in China. The handle doesn't work, so it's not on the video. I'm just going to use a small vice grip. Wait, I think I need to add more oil. Just a light oil. And also on the tap. But so far with the 6 or 5 bolts that I converted to a M6, so far they're all working. Not sure what's up with this one. First, I'm just doing it by hand. And then what would be a good idea to set a line. So this is not really a how-to video, but it's more on, am I doing it right, or was it a wrong idea converting to M6? Oh, she's turning, so I'm turning it what, clockwise, I think, or counterclockwise. I don't know. Gonna have to turn it back. Still, it doesn't want to go all the way in. Maybe I need more oil. Just a light oil using WD-40. So far I think it's working. I think the tap needs to be straight. I'm not sure if it's straight or what. Maybe it's not. I don't care. As long as the M6 bolt will work properly, or it will push through, then I think I'm all set with that. It's all the way in. And it's kinda easy to turn the tapping tool for the second time. It's much easier than before, so I think this will work now. Flash it with some oil, and then let's see if the M6 will work. I'm all set. Woo. So again, I'm not sure if this is the OEM bolts, or if these are the OEM bolts. I'm not quite sure why Honda decided to use this kind of bolts. They look like wood screws. All rear bolts for the rear bumper They're now M6. They're like 5 over here and then 2 over here, but on the sides, on the clips, I didn't bother converting it. Still a long way to go. I haven't even started installing, you know, the right parts. These are just tempo parts that I'm trying to fix my problem with the bolt. So far I'm happy with this, but I'm not sure if it's a good idea. You know, other Honda lovers out there, they want to use OEM all the way, but it's kind of hard to look for those bolts. But I think I'm all set with the M6. Just gonna install back the bumper, and I'm gonna see if everything will work. So far that's all I can share at the moment. Whew.